Seems to me a good opportunity to show what's inside an RC submarine. The only gizmos I have on this one is moving periscopes, but that's the only feature on this boat. It's pretty standard. This is part of my water alarm detection system, speed controller, engine of course, battery pack for the receiver. This contraption is used for raising and lowering the periscopes. Little 8-channel receiver, a mini pump for bringing her up to the surface, and I've recreated the control panel with a voltage meter on top. This is the master relay. This is the relay used for when I'm diving. The automatic leveler is going on and off. Automatic leveler, this one is also an automatic leveler, but that part doesn't work anymore, and I'm using the failsafe for releasing my buoy. Let's see if I cut it somewhere. Over there. This is the buoy part. It's quite simple. It's kind of hook, and when you have no signal anymore, the hook will open and will release the buoy. And this is the line, about 5-6 meters on it, and it's locked like this. It was time to get some new batteries inside the boat. I built this boat about 12 years ago, I think. And I've got already the propulsion batteries inside, a 6 1.2 volt cells in front, and I hope you can see that. Let's have a look. Let's see if it works. I hope. Yeah, that's 4 times 1.2 volts, 5 amp hours. The battery pack is 2.5 amp hours. So I'm rebuilding the V80 again, and when she's finished she has to be tested if she's watertight again. Also got a new seal on the ballast tank over here, and I can show that also. And down here there is the vent who will open and close the tank. It's already placed inside. So I have to build it up first, and there you have it. That's all inside an RC submarine. And if you take the big one over there, it's got some extra gizmos like moving anchor and torpedoes, etc. But this is the basic model, just driving and diving. And the extra feature is your periscopes, but normally it's a standard configuration. See you next time.